I got so much ink everywhere. Today I have decided to make my first video for 2018. I have a package to open. And I'm very excited about this one because I believe it to be my new fountain pen. I once saw a video from TWSBI. Well, I watch a lot of videos from TWSBI. I really like him. I like his drawing style. I especially like his voice. I love the content-free podcast. It's very soothing to listen and re-listen while drawing. Anyways, back to the topic. I saw him draw with a ECO and with the TWSBI ECO, and I think it's really cool that you can have fountain pens that you fill up like a syringe, like it says, it's simply cool. I cannot describe it. It's simply cool. So because he got this pen from Goulet Pens, I decided to take a look at their website. I did that half a year ago. And since then I was considering buying a fountain pen. And in the end I ended up choosing the one he presented, the TWSBI ECO. And I'm very excited now to see if this package is going to be that very pen. So let's take a look. Whoop. And it is the TWSBI ECO, yes! I was right, and my ink. Very cool. This is what was in the package. You can already see the TWSBI logo. And I'm very excited to open this now with you. Let's get started. Extra fine. So we don't need that anymore. And I need to open this side as well. So. Ooh, yes. I really have to say, I was not sure if I ordered it in black or in clear color version, because I simply forgot which one I chose, because I was thinking back and forth between those two, and it seems like I have decided to take the black version. What is it? No alcohol. Yeah, I am not drinking right now, so there will be no alcohol. Oh, it's a twist off. So this is the pen I ordered, the TWSBI ECO. Sees here TWSBI, the logo, and you can see the body is black, the cap is black, and the piston cap here is also black as well. And you can see, because the middle part is clear, you can see the mechanism, and that is what I wanted. I wanted to be able to see inside my pen. This is the nib. I chose an extra fine nib. That was the thing with the TWSBI ECO, is that I cannot unscrew this part. This part is fixed. You cannot change this. This is inside the pen. You cannot change the cap where you put your fingers, the in-between part, this middle part. You cannot change it. That was the one tricky thing about TWSBI. Okay, let's put this back on too. So what else do we have? This is the silicone grease. As far as I know, you just have to apply this once in a while to treat your pen well, to care for your pen. And this thing to open it up. You can see it move. Beep. Okay, then you get a little gap here when you turn it. Can you see it? You get this little gap when you turn this, and when you take it back up, it fills up the pen. Okay, I would say there is no science to this pen. Let's get started with some ink and see how it writes. Fun part. I have to admit, since it is my first fountain pen with piston mechanism, I did not go crazy on the ink. I went for something where I'm sure I can use it in a fountain pen without clogging up the whole mechanism, but I did not went to get an expensive ink at all. Went for the good old Pelikan ink, and it is the normal standard line, so it's not the, how is it called, this edel thing. They have cheap ones and they have expensive ones. I can imagine that the expensive ones have way better pigmentation than the cheap ones. Let's go and fill it up. Oh yeah, not opening it, shaking it first. Let's see. You know what the fun part is about filling this fountain pen up now? It is the very first time that I am doing this. So it's not only that I am going to fill this fountain pen for the very first time, it's the very first time I ever fill a fountain pen. And I'm a little bit unsure about it, but I've watched so many videos and I feel like I have been preparing for ages now to do this, so I'm just going to hit it. What's the worst that can happen? Pen explodes. Okay, that could have been worse, but it's not quite well. Let's put that ink back in and try it a second time. Okay. Second time. Let's go. That went better. Can I not just get the X? No, I cannot get the X of that. Oh god, so much ink everywhere. This time with a lot more feeling. Yes, this looks way better, way better. It's not full to the brim, but it looks good. I can live with that. Just imagine if you have a very expensive ink and you're always messing up, or always refilling your pen or dripping ink and all this stuff, how much ink you're wasting. So you have very expensive ink and you always have to take care to not waste too much of the ink. I believe it to be a little bit sad. So now that this pen is filled up, let's try and write with it, shall we? Okay, I have to say, I like it. I really like the flow. It moves on the paper, it looks nice. It's a very cheap model. It's the TWSBI ECO is the cheapest one they have made so far. Let's look about posing the cap. If it sits, it fits. But I have to admit that I would prefer it without the cap. Pen feels lighter. The cap is when it's posted. I don't know, when the cap is on the other end of the pen, it feels a little bit too heavy for my taste. But I do enjoy this pen, and it looks very cool in complete black once I have black ink in it. So yeah, this was my unboxing and my first experience with piston mechanism pen, the TWSBI ECO. I hope you enjoyed this little review and unboxing video. I for one found it very exciting to discover this pen. And I hope you all have a good start in the new year. 2018 is going to be your year. Don't let anybody else tell you anything else. This is your year. Take it. And see you next time. Bye.